Bitcoin hits new highs. What retail investor should do? Everyone loves Bitcoin when it's high, but the top 1% investors they love it when it's crashing. Here's how retail investors lost millions in every cycle and how you can use the exact same patterns to win again and again. Everyone talks when Bitcoin pumps, but very few actually profit. Here's what winners do differently. If you trust logic more than hype, you will love this 9 timeless Bitcoin investing lesson backed by real data, real life example, and zero. Lesson number 1. Do you know what happened every time Bitcoin made headlines? Most retail investors suffered heavy losses. In 2017, Bitcoin hit almost $20,000, then crashed almost 80%. In 2021, it hit almost $65,000 and then crashed 75%. Now 2025, Bitcoin all-time high again. Most retail investors bought the hype and now what? Lesson: smart investors don't follow hype. They follow cycles. Lesson 2. Bitcoin does not crash your portfolio. Your emotion do. Most retail investors buy when media talk bullishly and sell when it's down 50%. In contrast, smart money buy the fear and sell the greed. Michael Saylor accumulate Bitcoin during crashes. Today, his company holds BTC worth billions. Lesson: to win the Bitcoin, kill emotions. Follow logic, not hype, news or social media. Lesson 3. Want to predict Bitcoin next big move? Watch the 4-year cycle. Bitcoin follows this pattern every 4 years. 2012, almost 100x within 2 years. Then 2016, 45x within 2 years. Next 2020, 16x within 14 months. Next 2024, 2x within 18 months. Now 2025. What you think? History may repeat or not? Lesson: cycle not guaranteed, but patterns help you enter with strategy, not fear. Lesson number 4. Best Bitcoin strategy. If you are thinking about buying Bitcoin now, this is the best strategy. Avoid lump sum investing at top. Best strategy: dollar cost averaging over time. Example: if you dollar cost averaging $100 per month from 2020 to 2025, you will getting almost 16x your money within 5 years with low risks. Lesson: dollar cost averaging is the top 1% investor strategy. Boring but bulletproof. Lesson number 5. Bitcoin is not a shortcut to wealth. Bitcoin can make you rich, but only if you treat it like real investing, not gambling. Most people treat Bitcoin like a lottery ticket, but the wealthy use it as part of a diversified strategy. Real data: even in bull run, Bitcoin drop 30% multiply times. Lesson: invest in Bitcoin like a business owner, not like a gambler. Lesson 6. Use volatility to your advantage. Volatility is not your enemy, it's your opportunity. Look at this data. Bitcoin has dropped over 50%, more than 8 times in 14 years. Long-term investors used each crash to build wealth. Example: in 2021 crash, Bitcoin fell almost 80%, but then rebounded with a 600% return over 3 years. Lesson: use crashes to grow, not to quit. Lesson 7. Avoid altcoin distractions. Most people lose money not in Bitcoin but in chasing the next Bitcoin. 99% of altcoins from 2017 and 2021 went to $0. Meme coins rise fast, crash faster. Bitcoin still outperformed 99% of them in long term. Lesson: stick proven assets, Bitcoin is still king. Lesson 8. The Warren Buffett wisdom applied to Bitcoin. Warren Buffett does not like Bitcoin, but his investing wisdom still works here. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Most Bitcoin wealth made in bear markets, not bull runs. Real life example: those who bought during bear markets in 2020 and 2022 made massive returns. Lesson: Buffett's psychology works even in Bitcoin. Lesson number 9. What's coming next? The biggest Bitcoin crash may still be coming. Are you ready? Bitcoin's currently is historically high. If it crashes 50%, retail will panic. Smart investors will prepare crash, not panic. In 2021, people looked at those sold Bitcoin early. In 2022, they cried during almost 80% crash. But smart investors buy here and getting more than 600% returns within 3 years. Lesson: preparation beats prediction. Be ready. If you found this video valuable, hit subscribe and press the bell icon. No hype, only logic.